I'm kind of bored of watching videos. I'll just go play. I'll just go play outside somewhere. Ooh. Sunflowers. Sunflowers are my favorite. Even my mommy's. I'll pick some sunflowers for my mommy. Yeah, that should be a good idea. Hey, Anya, can I help you pick some flowers for your mommy? Wait, but first, why are you sniffling? Did something wrong happen? Did something bad happen? Are you crying? Oops, I think I need to go get some tissue. Let me just get the tissue box and wipe my nose. Wipe. Okay, are you ready to pick some flowers? Ew, Elsie, you have boogers all over your face. What? Really? I can't see. I feel a bit sick. I think I should just lay down. It's okay, Anya. I'll go get your mommy and let her know that you're sick. Okay, Anya. Elsie. I'm not Elsie. I'm not Anya. Sorry. I heard that Anya told me that you weren't feeling good. I think you have a little bit of a stuffy nose. I think you might have to get not eardrops. Do those even exist? Eardrops? Nose drops? Did you hear that, Anya? You have to get nose drops. I'm scared. What if they get in my eye? Maybe. What if they might affect my nose or something? Silly Anya. Silly Anya. I'm not Anya. Sorry. Silly Elsie. They're not gonna hurt you. But what if it's spicy? Elsie, it's not spicy. Why do you think it's spicy? I don't know. I'm just scared to use them. Okay, I got the nose drops. Now just sit on that chair right there. Okay. Na na na. Come back here! Na 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 boo boo. You can't catch me. You can't catch me. Na 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 boo boo. Come back! I have no time to play games. I didn't even put the nose drops in. I didn't even put the nose drops in. Now come back! Na 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 boo boo. Na 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 boo boo. You can't catch me. You gotta catch me. You gotta catch me. Anya, stop. Elsie, stop. Okay, I'll try to stay calm. They won't like it. Okay. Perfect. Hey, that wasn't that bad. See, I told you. Now, how about we go to the park, girls? Okay. Let's go.